Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question on set theory and I'll be using the Venn diagram to solve it. I'll be glad you pause this video, give it a try, then come back to our solution. Okay, let's get into it. Our question says we have 30 candidates applying for a post. That is, the total number of sets, the universal set is how many? 30. Now, how many are applying for degrees, or how many have degrees? We have, for those who have degrees, they are what? 17. And those who have diplomas, they are 15. While those who have neither, they have none. They have neither diploma nor degree. They are 4. Now, our question wants us to find out how many of them have both. That is, how many have degree and diploma. Now, let's create our Venn diagram. Our Venn diagram will look like this. Since I only have two major items, that is degree and diploma, I'll have two circles touching each other. Now the point where they touch here, I'll tag this as X because this is where I have those who have both. They have both degrees and they have both diploma. Now this is where I have those who have neither degree nor diploma. That's the outside here, that's 4. And where I have those who have just degrees alone. Let's tag this place as degrees. If this is degrees here, and here is my diploma. So that those who have need just degrees alone, they'll be given as 17 minus X. And those who have diplomas alone will be given as 15 minus X. While the total set already, we told, is out of what? 30. So that 30, 17 minus X plus 15 minus X plus 4 equals 30. Now, minus X plus X becomes 0. I have 17 plus 15, that's 32. 32 plus 4, that's 36. So that 36 minus X equals 30. Obviously, minus X will be equals to 30 minus 36, which is equals to minus 6. Our negative sign will cancel our negative sign. Definitely X now, X will be equals to 6. So I can confidently say that those who have both diploma and degree are 6 candidates. I hope you understand how we've gone about this. Watch out for our full lesson on set theory. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.